Good morning, children. After the explanation of countable and uncountable nouns on the blackboard, now we are going to do in the grammar textbook. Okay, children, so open page number 24. Countable and uncountable nouns. Now, over here, we will see in the picture, you can see a father, mother, and two children are there. Here, you can see in the picture, mother is not at all well, she is having fever. Now we will read the passage. The nouns in the passage below are highlighted. Sort them into nouns that can be counted and nouns that cannot be counted. Understood, children? The topic name is what? Countable and uncountable. In the last session, we had seen things which we can count are called countable, and the things which we cannot count are known as uncountable, such as you can see liquid things, honey, milk, water, then petrol. All these things which are not able to be counted are called uncountable nouns. Now we'll read the passage. It was a terrible rainy day, but I had to go out. Now over here highlighted word is day, day. So at day I have written C. We can count the day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that we can count, right? So day we have kept a C for countable we have kept. I had to go out. My mother was ill and she needed some medicine. So your mother is countable. Medicine also we can count over here. Doctor gives the medicine, right? Tablet, syrup. So we can count how many medicines are there, how many syrup bottles are there. We needed food. We needed food. My father made a list for me. What happened? We needed food. Now food is uncountable. In food so many things come. Sabzi, roti, dal, chawal, right? Mix. So how will you count? All it is in uncountable. So it is uncountable. Food is what? Uncountable. My father made a list. Now father is countable, right? Fathers you can count like. So it is countable. Made a list for me. List is also countable. We can make a list what we want. List number 1, I want this. 2, this. So it is countable. I would buy milk. Now milk is liquid form, so it is uncountable. Sugar is also uncountable. We cannot count sugar. Butter also we cannot count, so it is uncountable. Tomatoes, yes, tomatoes we can count, so it is countable. Onions is countable. Bread is countable. Eggs is also countable. I walked in the rain. Rain is uncountable. Under my umbrella, so rain is uncountable. Umbrella is countable. After a while, I realized that I had forgotten to bring the prescription. Prescription is uncountable. Prescription means the doctor which has given the prescription of medicines. So it is uncountable. How many prescription it must be? It must be many. So dear children, this is the exercise of countable and uncountable we have done. We'll read once again. It was a terribly rainy day, but I had to go out. My mother was ill and she needed some medicine. We needed food. My father made a list for me. I would buy milk, sugar, butter, tomatoes, onions, bread, and eggs. I walked in the rain under my umbrella. After a while, I realized that I had forgotten to bring the prescription. So this was the exercise. Now I'll go to the next exercise. Same page number 24. In the first column below, write the nouns that you can count. Add s or es to make them plural. In the second column, write the nouns that cannot be counted. Now the things which cannot be counted, that things we have to write in the uncountable, and things which can count, nouns that can be counted, we have to add s plus es. Okay, a noun that cannot be counted is uncountable. Now we will see nouns that can be counted as es. First we will read that. Roses, roses, roses. Buses, buses. Fox, fox, and the plural we have to write. Remember what we have to do, we have to write the plural, so it is foxes. Pens, pens. Books, books. Bottles, bottles. Cars, cars. Dishes, dishes. Benches, benches. Mobiles, mobiles. Pencils, pencils. So all these are singular, but we have made it into plural form by adding s plus es. Rose, rose spelling is there, by adding s it becomes roses. Bus, bus spelling is already there, it is one bus. So we have made more than one buses, so we add es, so it becomes buses. Fox, fox, we have added es, so it becomes foxes. Pen, pen, we have added s, so it becomes pens. Book, book, and we have added s, so it becomes books. Bottle, bottle, and I've added s, so it becomes bottles. Car is singular, s is added, so it becomes cars. Dish, dish, I've added es, so it becomes dishes. Bench, bench, I've added es, so it becomes benches. Mobile, mobile, by adding s it becomes mobiles. Pencil, pencil, by adding s it becomes pencils. Now we'll go to the next section, that is nouns that cannot be counted. We'll see that. Milk, 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 can you count milk? No. One milk, two milk, a milk, can you count with a spoon also? One spoon, two spoon? No, milk we cannot be counted. Water, water can you count? No, it is uncountable. Tea, no, uncountable. Sugar, uncountable. Rice, uncountable. Wheat, uncountable. Oil, uncountable. Petrol, uncountable. Juice, uncountable. Butter also uncountable. All these things are what? Uncountable. They cannot be counted. Rice you can count, such a bulk of rice is there, so much. And can you count one rice, two rice, three rice? No. And over and counted, it is what? Roses you can count, right? One rose, two rose, three rose. Buses also you can count. One buses, two buses. Even for foxes also you can count. One foxes, two foxes, right? So all these things are counted and all these things are uncounted. We'll read once again. Milk, water, tea, sugar, rice, wheat, oil, petrol, juice, butter. All these are uncountable. These things cannot be counted. Now we'll go to the next page. Yes, countable nouns and uncountable nouns, page 25. Countable nouns are nouns which we can count. For example, an apple, two flower. What is it? We can count an apple, two flowers. These are countable nouns. What are these? These are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. For example, water and rice. Water and rice we cannot count. Read about the difference between countable and uncountable nouns in the table below. Countable nouns. Countable nouns have singular and plural form. Apple, apples. Book, books. They have singular and plural form. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns have only singular form and cannot be turned into plural. Example, rice. It has rice only you will say for plural, not rices. Honey, honey only you will say, you won't say honeys. Because y is there, usually you remember ies we have to add, but in honey it is not like that. In honey, it remains the same only, the same word. Rule number 2. We use a, an or number words before countable nouns. See, an apple, a ball, 2 cats, 10 books. All these we can use in countable nouns. We cannot use a, an or number words before uncountable nouns. Example, 1 water, no. 10 a, no. A milk, no. Can you count uncountable these things? No, these things are not countable. They are uncountable only. We use many, a few before countable nouns. We use many, a few before countable nouns. Examples, few boys, many fruits. These we can count, countable. Example, a few boys and many fruits. These things we can count. Uncountable nouns. We use much, little before uncountable nouns. Much rice, little water. These are used for uncountable nouns. You want much rice, you want little rice, right, like that. So little water. Example, few boys, many fruits. Few boys, many fruits. That is countable. Now we'll go to the next page. Underline the countable noun and circle the uncountable nouns. The first one has been done for you. Now over here you can see Uncle Prasad has 10 pets who eat a lot of rice. Now काउंटेबल में हमें अंडरलाइन करना है और जो अनकाउंटेबल है हमें उसे सर्कल करना है बच्चों. तो क्या है, पेट्स. वी कैन काउंट पेट्स. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज रिटन 10 पेट्स and lot of rice. Rice is circle because it is uncountable. We cannot count. B. Pour water into a pot to make tea. So what it is? Pour water. Water is uncountable. So we have to circle water, and pot we can count. Tea also we cannot count. So it is uncountable. So we have put a circle on tea also. Add 2 spoons of sugar and some milk in the 2 cups. Now over here spoons we can count how many spoons we had. Sugar we cannot count because it is in bulk, so we cannot count sugar. Some milk. Milk also it is liquid form, so we cannot count. In the 2 cups. Cups we can count. What we can do? We can count cups because cups is a thing which we can count. 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, right? So this is the countable and uncountable. Uncle Prasad has 10 pets who eat a lot of rice. Pour water into a pot to make tea. Add 2 spoons of sugar and some milk in the 2 cups. Continue with the exercise. Don't keep the insects in the jar. Put them back in the mud. Don't keep the insects in the jar. Here it is saying what? Don't keep insects here in the jar. We have to put them back in the mud. What we have to do? We have to put them back in the mud. So mud is what? Uncountable. We cannot count. And jar, yes, we can count because jar is what? Glass flask. So jar we can count. When my friend come, we eat tasty food and play games. Now friends you can count. See over here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many friends are there? 5, right? Here 5 friends are there. We eat tasty food. Now this is the food. Can you count the food in each plate? How many food? How many things are there? No. Food is it is uncountable. So food we have to circle. What we have to do? Food we have to circle it. Now we'll go to the next page. Write C for the countable nouns and U for the uncountable nouns in the sentences below. The first has been done for you. What you have to do? Here you have to C for countable nouns. What you have to do? C for countable nouns and U for the uncountable nouns in the sentences below. The first one example has been done for you. The children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. C is countable children. Garden also is countable. We can count garden. So it is written C over here. in both the side.
Second time बोलेगा.
The children are playing in the garden. So C is countable and garden is also countable. You can count children also and you can count garden also. B1. I don't like soda but I like curd. Now over here soda and curd both are uncountable. Soda is also uncountable, it is liquid, and curd is also liquid form, so it is uncountable. So I don't like soda but I like curd. Soda uncountable, and curd also uncountable. My aunt use a lot of butter to make cakes. So aunt is countable. Aunt can be so many. So a aunt we can count, it is countable. Butter and cake. Butter and cake are what? Butter is uncountable, right? And cake is countable. And cake is countable, right? We can count cake. How many cakes you want, right? There are many windows in our classroom. So windows also we can count and we can count classroom also. Both we can count. Do you have some glue to fix this vase? What over here it says, do you have some glue to fix this vase? So glue is what? Uncountable. Glue you must be knowing it. It is a liquid form, so it is uncountable. And vase is what? Countable. And vase is what? Countable. One vase, two vase, we can count it. Our two neighbors are nice. So neighbors is countable and nice people also countable. You can count over your people. There isn't much oil in the motorbike. Oil is uncountable and motorbike is countable. We can count. The road is slippery due to snow. So snow is again uncountable because so much snowfall is there. How will you count? And road too we can count. One road, two road, three roads, right? So it is C. What it is? It is C and this is U. Can the players have some juice, please? So players we can count. We can see it is C and juice is what? U. It is uncountable. There is a lot of sand and on this bench. So what happened? There is a lot of sand on this bench. Sand is what? Countable. Sand is what? Countable. And beach is also countable. Sand is countable, right? We can count sand. It is a uncountable. Sand is uncountable. Can you count sand? No, we cannot count sand. So sand is uncountable and beach is countable. Yes, you can count beach. One beach, two beach. You can see here in this area or in this place there are many beaches, right? So you can count beaches, but sand you cannot count because it is uncountable. What? It is uncountable. Now I'll go to the next page. Uncountable nouns, add es to the countable nouns. Now remember, uncountable nouns add s or es to the countable nouns. Nasir has dark hair. Uncountable nouns add s, es to the countable nouns. Nasir has dark hair and brown eyes. So what you have to do? Hair is uncountable. Can you count hair? One hair, two hair, three hair? No. And brown eyes. Eyes is plural. We have to write. So EYE and SVH have to become eyes. Nasir has meat, rice. Now meat and rice both are uncountable. Cannot be counted. Rice also. And vegetables for lunch. And vegetable is what? As we can add, it becomes vegetable for lunch. So vegetables we have to add s, so it becomes vegetables. He sometimes has sandwiches. Sandwiches over here it is, we have to add es. What we have to do? We have to add es to make it plural. So over here we can see here countable, uncountable, nothing is there. Here sandwiches we have to make it plural, and we have to write it. So sand, sand, wiches, sandwiches. He drinks water after having his meal. He drinks water after having his meal. Here you can see what it says. Water is uncountable. Water cannot be counted. So water as much as you want to drink, why should we count? So it is uncountable, cannot be counted. Water, 1 water, 2 water, like that. After having his meal, his dog has learned a new trick. So his dog has learned a new trick today. So here what it is, we have to do here. His dogs, we have to write it into plural form. Dogs has will become have. Learned a new trick today. He completed his homework in the evening. This is homework is noun. What is homework? Homework is we have to underline. It is uncountable. It is uncountable. Right? He completed his homework in the evening. He has got homework in many subjects. So what he will do, he will complete in the evening. So homework is uncountable. Nasir likes to dream about bachelor, beach and holidays. Nasir likes to dream about beach and holidays. So over here what will you do? Beaches. What will you do? Beaches. Here you can see es is added. We have to add es, it becomes beaches, and holiday s we have to add, to become holidays. For evening also you have to add s over here. So it becomes evenings. What it becomes? Evenings. Nasir has to dream about beaches and holidays. Beaches and holidays. Here beaches is uncountable, and holidays also. Holidays we have to add plural by adding s. So holiday becomes holidays, and beach ka beaches. Okay children, we'll go to the next page.
Hello.
To talk about the number of uncountable nouns, we also use a piece of box, of a can, of etc. before uncountable nouns. To talk about the number of uncountable nouns, what you have to do? Numbers of uncountable nouns. We use a piece of box, of a can, or of a can of, etc. before uncountable nouns. We have to pick out the conjunctions. I brought a sheet of art paper for my project. I bought a sheet of art paper for my project. I bought a sheet of art paper for my project. My young sister carried a bucket of water to the garden. Neetu gave me a can of milk. Now over here you can see. Here you can see. What you have to do, we talk about the number of uncountable nouns. We use a piece of, a box of, a can of, etc. before uncountable nouns. हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? हमने अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के आगे पीस ऑफ, बॉक्स ऑफ, कैन ऑफ. नाउ बॉक्स ऑफ, अ पेंसिल ऑफ बॉक्सेस, राइट. तो आप जो है वो पेंसिल ऑफ बॉक्सेस हम कह सकते हैं. ए कैन ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक यू कैन से. अभी आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक तो काउंट नहीं कर सकते, जूस काउंट नहीं कर सकते, तो क्या आएगा? एक कैन ऑफ, मतलब कैन के अंदर वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक है, राइट. सो आप कितने कैंस लेके आए? 5, 6, 4. ओके, सो वी कैन काउंट लाइक दैट. वी यूज़ ए पीस ऑफ पेपर. अभी जिससे आप पेपर अभी लिख रहे हो, राइट, PDF फाइल बना रहे, गूगल क्लासरूम में भेज रहे हो, टेस्ट आ रहा है वीकली तो आप लिख रहे हो, तो आपने वो जो पेपर में जो लिखा है आपने कितने पेजेस भरे पेपर के? 1, 2, 3, 4. सो वी यूज़ ए पीस ऑफ पेपर. सो टॉक about the number of uncountable nouns we use before uncountable nouns. Say, I bought a sheet of art paper for my project. My young sister carried a bucket of water to the garden. Neetu gave me a can of milk. Now fill in the blanks with slice, tube, bunch, loaf, bowl, tube or carton. Now you have to select these words in the blanks given below. I went hiking with my friends last Sunday. Mom packed a bunch of grapes and a tube of juice. What did mom give her? A bunch of grapes and a tube of juice. I had a slice of bread for lunch. I also had a bowl of soup. When used a lot of butter. We used a lot of butter with it. We should have loved a carton of pizza. We loved a carton of pizza. But there was no one. But there was none. What else did mom pack? A tube of toothpaste to clean my teeth. Now we'll see over here. See over here. Bunch of grapes. Always remember where grapes come, it is a bunch of grapes only. So you select it over here. ट्यूब ऑफ जूस. जूस जो है वो ट्यूब में पैक किया गया, इसके लिए ट्यूब ऑफ जूस हम बोलेंगे. आई हैड अ स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड राइट फॉर लंच. तो स्लाइस हम काउंट कर सकते हैं ना फॉर लंच के लिए. 1 नंबर, अरे 1 स्लाइस, 2 स्लाइस, 3 स्लाइस लाइक दैट. फिर आई ऑल्सो हैड अ बोल ऑफ सूप. आप काउंट कर सकते हैं ना कितने बोल आपने पिए हैं राइट. वी यूज a lot of butter with it. We cannot count butter, actually it is uncountable only, so we used a lot of butter with it. We would have loved a carton of pizza, but there was none. What the love to have, they love to have cartons of pizza. मीन्स बहुत सारे कार्टन, मतलब बहुत सारे पिज़्ज़ा, बट एक भी नहीं थे. What else did mom pack? A tube of toothpaste to clean my teeth. Yes, you know there are different types of toothpaste, right? So you get the toothpaste as a paste. In a toothpaste, if you will say, the shopkeeper will give you the toothpaste. But in other language also it is said tube. What it is said? Tube. A tube of toothpaste to clean my teeth. He used tube of toothpaste to clean the teeth. Now we'll read again once again this paragraph. I went hiking with my friends last Sunday. Mom packed a bunch of grapes and a tube of juice. I had a slice of bread for lunch. I also had a bowl of soup. We used a lot of butter with it. We would have loved a carton of leaves, but there was none. What else did mom pack? A tube of toothpaste to clean my teeth. Again tube came two times. So dear children, I hope you follow this exercise. On to the next page. Use a or some before the following words. Will do remember. Countable nouns can be counted. We can use them as singular and plural. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted, which we cannot add to make their plural. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. We cannot add s, es to make the plurals. We cannot add to the non-count. We cannot add s or es to make them plural. Now go to the exercise. A dash packet of cheese. So what will you write? A or n? So it is a packet of chips. A glass of milk. Again a dash sugar. Instead of a and n, what will you write? A glass of sugar, and a glass of milk. What is it? A glass of milk. We'll do again this exercise. Use a or some before the following words. A packet of chips. A packet of chips. Now why I've written A? Because chips packet we can count. A glass of milk. Why I've written a glass of milk? Because a glass we can count. ग्लास में कितना मिल्क भरा है, कितने ग्लासेस है, वो आप काउंट कर सकते हैं. मिल्क आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ग्लास काउंट कर सकते हैं. 1 ग्लास, 2 ग्लास, 3 ग्लास, लाइक दैट. हम अंदर का मटेरियल जो मिल्क है वो काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. वाटर के आगे सम क्यों लगा है? क्योंकि हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ए जार ऑफ लेमनेड. अभी ये जो लेमनेड ड्रिंक है उसका जार आता है, वो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. अगर आप लेने भी जाओ तो पूछोगे कि कितने जार्स लाओ, 1 जार लाओगे, 2 जार्स, राइट? सो दैट इज़ काउंटेबल. शुगर इज़ नॉट काउंटेबल, सो इट इज़ सम. Even butter is not counted, so it is sum. What it is? It is sum. Now fill in the blanks using how much or how many. How much or how many. Now look over here. Now we have to look at the exercise how to use how much or how many. Dash apples are we carrying to the picnic. So what will you say? How many apple? How many? आप एप्पल्स को काउंट कर सकते हो, उसके लिए हम how many यूज़ करेंगे. हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स मतलब 4 एप्पल्स, 6 एप्पल्स, 10 एप्पल्स, कितने एप्पल्स हम लेके जा सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ हाउ मैनी. हाउ मच वाटर शुड आई पॉर इनटू योर ग्लास. अब ये जो वाटर है वो अनकाउंटेबल है, लिक्विड फॉर्म है, राइट? सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव यूज्ड हाउ मच. व्हाट वी यूज्ड हाउ मच. फर्स्ट वी यूज्ड हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स आर वी कैरिंग to the picnic, and next is what? How much water should be poured in the glass. Now go to the next exercise. Yes, I don't know how much money I should spend on buying new books. Over again, how much money we cannot count. Money it is talking about, right? So it will go in how much. How much money I should spend on buying new books. Money can be counted like that. Now D, how many pens does Rahim have? Now here pens we can count. 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen. So how many pen does Rahim have? It is many pens. E, how much milk should a puppy have? So again milk we cannot count. So it is how much milk. And over here pens does Rashmi have? So how many? So it is how many. Pens we can count. If you tell Rashmi to bring as many as pen you have in your house, she'll bring and she'll start counting. So pens we can count. So this how many pen does Rahim have? How much milk should a puppy have? So dear children, please write this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. I hope you have understood the exercise. Thank you.